Now, as Lorenzo started to discuss about and describe about, or moreover, you can say praise Portia, then Portia says, I never did repent for doing good. That means I never ever repent. That means here she is explaining the fact that she actually never minds if she has done anything good, nor shall not now. Nor she says that even now also I will not do so. For in companions that do converse and waste the time together, because for in companions, now she is saying for in here refers to, she is explaining the fact that I have this done all this for those companions, those friends who used to waste the time together, means who used to always spend the times to all the time together, and whose souls do bear an equal yoke of love. That means they have an equal bond of love for between each other, for each other. So he says that they both actually bear an equal bond of love, and there must definitely be needs alike proportion. There must be needs alike proportion means there must be definitely some kind of similarity. Needs alike proportion means there must be some kind of similarity of lineaments, means of characteristics of manners, and of spirit means the behaviors, which makes me think, and due to which I am compelled to think, that this Antonio, being the bosom lover of my lord, who is actually a very intimate or a good friend of my lord, must needs be like my lord only, must be just like my lord. Now, in this speech, actually, Portia is actually trying to explain the fact that she has done all those good things, and those good things have been done for those two good, very very good friends who were so very attached to each other, who used to spend their time together, talk to each other all the time, bear an equal yoke of love. That means who bore an equal bond of love for each other. So actually she is trying to explain the fact that she has not done something very very, you can say, miraculous here. She was just trying to explain the fact that she has just done a very, you can say, normal deed of kindness over here, because she knew this fact that the person for whom she has done this must be very very similar to my lord. Why is she saying this must be very similar to my lord? It's just because we all know this very well, that when we all also make friends, those friends are all of our own type. For example, if there is a mischievous child, he will also always love to be in friendship with, or he will always love to be have a friend, he'll always love to have a friend just like him only. That means if he is a mischievous one, he will definitely like a mischievous child. If he is a studious one, he will love to be in friendship with a studious one. So that is a common general phenomena that is believed to be. So therefore she is saying that is why I feel that they must be in terms of there must be needs alike proportion. That means there must be some similarity of lineaments, of characteristics, of manners, and of spirit, with due to which I am compelled to think that this Antonio, who is actually a very intimate friend of mine, must needs be like my lord. That means must be just like my lord. If it be so, now she said, if it is so, how little is the cost I have bestowed in purchasing the semblance of my soul. Now she is saying that if it is so, means what is so? If it is in reality the same, that Antonio is actually the lover of her lord, then she says that she has bestowed means paid a very small amount of money, or she has actually incurred a very small expense, so as to just get back the, you can say, the likeness of my husband's soul. That means here you can say that she has actually bestowed, how little is the cost I have bestowed means she has just paid a very little cost in purchasing the semblance of my soul. In purchasing the semblance of my soul means in actually getting back the semblance of his soul, means you can say getting back, or the soul which resembles to whom? To Bassanio. So she is actually saying over here that I have paid a very little cost, because Portia actually believed, what she believed is that Portia believed that lovers must be like each other in soul also, and those close friends must also resemble to each other in all the aspects, and therefore Antonio must just be similar to Bassanio, and whose soul resembles to Portia's own. What is she meaning to say over here is she is explaining the fact that the kind of characteristics which were held by Portia, Bassanio, and Antonio were all of the same kind, and that is why she has spent a very little amount of money in purchasing the semblance of my soul. Semblance actually means what is peace. So she is saying that I have paid a very little amount of money in order to make my soul in a state of peace from out of the state of hellish cruelty. From out of the state of hellish cruelty means from the out of the state of hell-like cruelty. Basically, it was the hell-like cruelty in terms of Shylock being a very, very adamant person. This comes too near the praising of myself. Now she says that she feels as if she is actually praising herself a lot. Therefore, no more of it. So she says, therefore, I'm not going to do any more of it. Here other things. Now she says, listen to other things also, Lorenzo. I commit into your hands the husbandry and the manage of my house. Now here she gives the responsibility of her house in the hands of Lorenzo. So she says, I commit into your hands the husbandry and the manage of my house until my Lord return. Until my Lord return means who is the Lord here? Bassanio. So she says, unless and until Bassanio does not return, I am actually giving in your hands the control and the management, husbandry, and here refers to control and the management of my house till my husband return. Why? Because she is now going to tell him that she herself was going somewhere else. She says, for my own part, I have towards heaven breathed a sacred vow. That means she says that I have taken a secret oath. That is that I'll be living in prayer and contemplation. That means I have taken an oath that I am going to live in prayer and meditation, only attended by Nerissa here. That means only accompanied by Nerissa along with me until her husband and my Lord return. That means unless and until my husband and her Lord do not return, both of us will be living in life of prayer. That means we will be actually living in prayer and meditation. Moreover, she tells where is she going. So she says that there is a monastery 2 miles off. There is a monastery which is somewhere 2 miles away from that place, and there we will stay. Abide means live. I do desire you not to deny this imposition. And then she says, I also expect you not to refuse this responsibility to the which my love and some necessity now lays upon you. That means which I have given to you. That means what I have given to you, the responsibility I have given to you, which out of love and plus the present responsibility has been given due to the present necessity, which makes her lay the duty or the responsibility upon Lorenzo.